Now the glucose is produced. Let's see what happens to it. The first thing is respiration. The glucose is broken down to release energy for the plant immediate life process, and it includes you, because you respire. You are human, not just the plant. You respire too. The second thing is storage for the glucose. Excess glucose is converted into starch and stored away in leaves, roots, or seeds for later use. So when there is an excess, it stores it. It stores it at where? Away in the leaves, in the roots, and the seed for later use. Then the third thing that happened to the glucose is growth. The glucose is converted into what you call cellulose, the primary building block for creating new cell walls. So the reason why the plant grows, the reason why you grow, is as a result of the glucose. When this particular glucose is converted into a cellulose, it builds up the cell. So a plant will be there, and then by the time you realize the plant is taller than you, what happened? It is as a result of the glucose stored that is used for the growth. Then we have protein synthesis. The protein synthesis combines with nitrogen, and it is absorbed from the soil to manufacture essential proteins. So these are the four main things that happen to Mr. Glucose. Now, another key factor is that photosynthesis power the food chain. Right from the onset, I made mention of the fact that we get food from the plants, and it is as a result of this particular concept known as photosynthesis that has made it possible. So let's look at the topmost aspect. Or do you want us to take it from the bottom? Okay, so let's take it from the bottom here. We have the bottom layer, which is the producers. The producers make its own food via photosynthesis. So we have the plants, which include grass, maize, and Mr. Algae. You know Mr. Algae. It's found in the water bodies. Then the second layer is called the primary consumers. They are herbivores that eat the producers. We have Mr. Grasshopper here. We have Papa Cow here. We have rabbit here. So these are the primary consumers that right after the producers come, they depend on it to live. Then we have the third layer, which is the secondary consumers. They are known to be the omnivores or the carnivores. We have fox, we have frog, we have small fish. And we too, we fall in here because we are omnivores. Human beings consume both the primary consumers and that of the producers. Don't you take fish? Don't you take maize? With the exception of the algae. Okay. Don't you take rabbit? Yeah, so we do this one. Then the topmost layer is the tertiary consumers, which is the top predators. Eagle, lion, shark. So they eat everything. You take the fox, you take the small fish, you take grasshopper, you take the cow, you take the rabbit. So a key takeaway is here: all energy in every food chain originates from the sun. It was captured by the plants. So we go through this particular pyramid without not forgetting the sun, because the sun helps in production of the food.